Hello and welcome back. Stupiding's here once again, and today I wanted to give a go at Lockpicking Coal Miners 100 subscriber giveaway. Man, that first 100, oh, it feels so good. You damn right it does, and it's well deserved. So I wanted to get in on it. If anything, I'd like one of your picks put in my collection. That would be awesome to me. So, and make it a pretty one. Nonetheless, I figured you said pick a lock, any lock, doesn't have no time limit, yada yada yada, right? So I figured I'd pick a couple locks, and these are just a couple easy ones that were sitting on the counter. This is a beautiful old Yale wafer, and I thought, well, let's put a little tension to it. And this I got from the Praxis set. It's the W rake or the Batarang or whatever. But gotta put it in there and jiggle it around a bit. My fingers haven't been too much. Sorry. I didn't prepare, I just grabbed a couple locks, and you know how they'll make you to be the quickest idiot in the house. You can't pick a lock. What the hell are you talking about? The fool of the party. My problem is this tension wrench. Well, at least how I want to complain about it. There we go. Alright. That one had a weird bitting. Anyway, this one's got a down to up, right? So, yeah, we'll just throw it in bottom. Stick it in there. Kind of give it a light tension. Rock it around a little bit. Pull it out. I'll reset that. Zip it good. There we go. Alright, I got 2 locks open for your giveaway, bud. And I didn't make myself out to be too big of a fool. I guess I sure could have. Awesome. I'll sign off of that. Congratulations to you. Big congratulations. And more so than that even, good luck to everyone who's going to participate. Awesome giveaway. And tune in to Lockpicking Coal Miner for the giveaway conclusions. Y'all, please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, smash onto that subscribe button and make sure and hit the bell icon. And until we meet again, peace.